Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kislay. I'm currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. My USN is 1VE23CS080. I'm in semester 3rd and my section name is Bhaskara. So today's subject is Oops with Java. Subject code is BCS306 in. So today's topic is Simple File Sharing System. Simple file sharing system using Java. Welcome to this presentation where we will delve into the design and development of a simple file sharing system using Java. This file system allows users to easily share files with one another utilizing a robust client server architecture and addressing critical security and performance considerations. Introduction to file sharing. The need for file sharing. File sharing is crucial in today's interconnected world. It enables collaboration, information exchange, and efficient data transfer across different devices and locations. Businesses, individuals, and organizations rely heavily on secure and reliable file sharing solutions. Types of file sharing. Several methods facilitate file sharing, including email attachments, cloud storage platforms, peer-to-peer networks, and dedicated file sharing software. Each method offers unique advantage and disadvantage, catering to different needs and requirements. Why Java for file share? So it has three main, I mean, it has three benefits. Java has three benefits for creating file sharing, which are platform independence, robust libraries and frameworks, and security features. Platform independence. Java write once, run anywhere philosophy makes it suitable for cross-platform applications. This ensures the file sharing system can operate seamlessly on different operating systems, reaching a broader user base. Robust libraries and frameworks. Java offers a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, including Java Networking API and Java File Array, simplifying file handling, networking, and other essential tasks for building a file sharing system. Security features. Java built-in security features like its class loader and security manager provide a strong foundation for safeguarding sensitive data during transmission and storage in the file sharing system. Key components of the system. Java has four key components which are client application, server application, communication protocol, and database. Database is optional. Client application. The client application allows user to browse files on their local machines, select files for sharing, and initiate upload or download operations. Server application. The server applications handles file storage, manages client connections, processes upload and download requests, and enforces security measures. Communication protocol. The communication protocol defines the format and rules for data exchange between the client and server applications, ensuring smooth and reliable data transfer. Database. A database can be used to store file metadata, user information, and access logs, providing efficient management and retrieval of files. Client server architecture. Client, server, and network. The client application connects to the server and sends file upload or download requests. Server. The server application listens for client connections, processes requests, and responds with the file data or status match messages. Network. The network provides the communication channel for data exchange between the client and the server. File upload and download operations. So there are five steps in file uploading and downloading operations, which are file selection. The client application allows user to select the desired files for sharing. Upload request. The client sends a request to the server including file metadata, file size, and file content. File transfer. The server receives the file data and stores it securely in the designated storage location. Download request. The client sends a request to the server specifying the file to download. File transfer. The server retrieves the requested file and sends the file data to the client. Handling multiple clients concurrently. So there are three steps or three methods through which multiple clients can be handled concurrently, which are multi-threading, thread pool, and queue. So multi-threading, Java's multi-threading capabilities enables to serve were to handle multiple client requests simultaneously, improving system performance and responsiveness. Thread pool. A thread pool manages a set of worker threads, allowing the server to efficiently handle multiple clients' requests without creating and destroying threads for each request. GUI. A GUI is used to store incoming client requests, ensuring that requests are processed in the order they are received. Security consideration. There are five security considerations, which are authentication, authorization, encryption, firewall and intrusion detection, regular security audits. Authentication implements user authentication to restrict access to authorized users only. This prevents unauthorized access and data breaches. Authorization controls access levels for different users, allowing specific users to perform certain actions like uploading, downloading, or deleting files. Encryption encrypt file data during transmission and storage to protect sensitive information from interception or unauthorized access. Firewall and intrusion detection. Utilize network security measures to prevent unauthorized access to the server and detect malicious activity. Regular security audits. Conduct regular security audits to identify and address vulnerabilities and ensure the system remains secure. Error handling and log. Error handling implements robust error handling mechanism to catch and manage exceptions, preventing system crashes and ensuring smooth operation. Exception log. Log errors are exceptions to a dedicated log file for debugging and troubleshooting purposes. This allows for analysis of system behavior and identification of potential issues. User feedback. Provide informative error messages to users, guiding them on how to resolve issues or seek assistance. This enhances user experience and reduce frustration. Demonstration and Q&A. Demo. Let's see the file sharing system in action. We'll demonstrate file upload, download, and other functionalities. Q&A. Open to any questions you have regarding the system design development or functionality. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys like my videos. Hit the like and subscribe button. And you guys have any issues regarding the file sharing system, please ask Google. Don't use the comment section. Thank you.